everybody and welcome back to my channel. Like most of you know, I am Paramji, a professional makeup artist, and I am back with another video. Like most of you must be knowing, this is my sister Mona, and today we are not going to do a makeup tutorial. Today, after many days, in fact after the lockdown for the first time, we went out to do some shopping. And we went to a nearby mall which is called the Seawoods Grand Central Mall. This is situated in Navi Mumbai. And we went bag shopping there. So I'm going to share with you my journey as well as what I shopped in the Grand Central Mall. And Mona was there with me too. So let's get started. So that was the view of the mall and how we went about shopping. So now let's get to the real exciting part. What did we really shop? So which one is the first thing that we have, Mona?
So we went to this new stationery shop called Mango. A new place I've never been to, but quite interesting things. So the first thing I picked up was this folder, a file folder.
Yeah, this is for about 180 rupees.
And these colored papers.
Yeah, mostly actually I require this for my son because he does a lot of his school work and all that. So this textured and these colored paper together for about 180 rupees.
That's interesting. It's a Sudoku book.
I think this book is for about 475 rupees. So this book of Sudoku is a special gift for my mom. She's a big Sudoku fan. In fact, she can crack even the hardest of Sudokus in minutes or, so this is a good Diwali gift for her.
And these, they're very interesting. That's Avengers, Justice League, Avengers.
I'm a big Avengers fan. So these are for about $6.99 each. You can pin them either on your folders or your clothes.
And the most interesting and the most colorful.
Oh, they're fridge magnets.
Oh, sorry.
How much are these fridge magnets? Yeah, these are for I think 169 each.
169.
No, these are not 169. These
109.
are about 109. Sorry. So the next stop for us was this shop called One Stop, where you have a lot of things which are useful in your kitchen, in your household. I know most of you must be knowing about One Stop. So let's see what we got from One Stop. So in my house, most of us love adding garlic to most of our dishes. So every time chopping the garlic also takes a lot of time. So I thought I'll use a garlic crusher for that.
I think this was for 349. Sorry.
Yeah, 349. That's nice. Okay, so the next one that they have was an oven hand glove. So I recently in the lockdown picked up baking, in a big way. So I make a lot of buns, breads, cakes. So my
sausage rolls.
Yeah, yum they were. So my oven glove was really worn out by now. So I thought I should get a new one. So how much is
That's
this one
for
for?
$3.95.
Okay, this one is $3.95. And the last thing, this is the most useful thing, especially this is very good for people, single people who are living alone, bachelors, who don't want to buy a Food Pro where you have just one onion to chop or something. So this is a vegetable chopper, and this is a hand chopper. This is not electrical. So you have this small container in it, in which you just pull the string and then it chops the vegetables. How do you like
Quite
it?
nice. I quite like it. And it's not much. It's just for 555.
Okay.
Just
So 550, it's a nice thing, it's a very good utility thing. Okay, so that's it from One Stop. Now let's move on. One Stop, we moved on to West Side. So we couldn't buy too many clothes because they weren't allowing trial for most of the clothes in all the places, especially due to the pandemic. So it's okay. So we thought that it's better to, not buy clothes, because again, exchange is also an issue. So we just bought some accessories, and the exciting thing is this. We bought so many accessories. So all these earrings and this bracelet and necklace, all for $2.99 each.
Only.
Yeah, only. I love how Westside has really amazing accessories.
I'm always picked up from there. It's a very nice place.
Mona has amazing choice in accessories. So I just utilized her expertise in buying some nice accessories for myself. Okay, so apart from this, we also got some more things. That is,
Yes. We picked up some of the bands.
yeah, some hair ties and some clips, because I have really long hair, so I do need these. So how much are these for? I think.
The hair ties are for 99.
Okay.
And I guess this is 149.
It's a steal, I tell you. You should go to Westside. The quality is really good. I'll let you know how they turned out after using them, but it looks really good quality, especially for the price that they come in. So next we went to another exciting store, and which one was that, Mona? H&M. Yeah, I know we couldn't try so many clothes, but accessories. I'm just hungry for accessories right now. I feel like buying so many. So here also we again went shopping for accessories. So I got these beautiful pair of earrings. Both of these are for $6.99 and
$7.99.
this is a nice. I really like that color.
And it was my choice.
Yeah, yours. And then I got this bracelet set. This is also for $7.99.
And the most exciting, I got this for $7.99.
Yeah, really suits you. Okay, so another thing that I got is this pair of 4 earrings from H&M, and these are for $12.99. So I think I should say it's a good steal, bargain. It's a good bargain. I like that.
Sorry, I was not listening.
She's so engrossed in her sunglasses. Too excited. Next place of stop for us while shopping is one of my most interesting area. So I went about shopping for some makeup, and I had to replenish some things in my kit. So my first stop for makeup was MAC. So I had picked up a few things from there for myself as well as some things for my kid. So the first thing that I picked up was a lipstick for myself, and this is in the shade Rebel. So this is for $1,700. And the next thing that I bought was a concealer which is in my shade. This is NC42, which I always apply. You must have seen me applying it in some of the makeup videos as well. So this is the NC44 Liquid Studio Fix Concealer. And this is costing about how much?
2,300.
Yeah, 2,300. So the next one is a concealer palette. Now this palette is in the shade medium deep, and this is the most useful for Indian skin tones. So that is why I picked up this palette for my kit edition, and this one is for,
It's 44450.
yeah, this is my foundation, Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC42, and this is the powder foundation that I bought.
That's 2,900.
Okay, 2,900. So the last thing that I bought was the Shreya Jain Lal Ishq collection from MAC. The other 2 collections were out of stock, so I couldn't have a look at them. So in this collection, like most of you must be knowing, is one Ruby Woo lipstick full size, the classic ruby bow, and along with that I have got one small MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime with this. So, and this is for about 1800 rupees. Last stop was Sephora. So there were a few things that even Mona wanted for herself, and I have picked some of the things that I wanted from there. So the first thing that I wanted was a good contour. So like most of you know, I love my Hoola bronzer, so I got the Hoola, but this is the Toasted, and this one is I think for 2430. Yeah.
And I got a primer by Smashbox. I don't know much about makeup, you guys know that already. But then even I took advantage of her out there. So I just picked it up because she suggested. It's for 2585. And I also picked up a setting spray. That's a makeup setting spray.
Yes, it helps you set your makeup.
Okay. Yes. So that's for 1686. It is Smashbox.
Okay,
Again.
so I also use the Clinique Moisture Surge, and I bought a small tub because I mostly use it only for my under eyes, and this one is for 754. And then I also got this pencil in teal color. This is an eye pencil. This is in teal color from Sephora itself. And how much was this?
Same, 754.
754.
And then I got a little more excited and I just picked up just one of this Sephora Cucumber eye mask just to try it, how it looks. So I hope it's really good. I don't know, I'm just trying it. And it's for 258.
And the last thing that I bought was, in fact, I was just gilling when I just rushed and picked this one. This is the hairspray, texturizing hairspray from Ouai. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's Ouai. And I've seen a lot of hair experts using it. So I thought hairstylists, if they use it, I should just try how it works. So this is for about 2280. I will let you know how it works. So that's about everything that we purchased from the Seawoods Grand Central Mall. It was a whole day of fun because we had gone out after a really long time.
Yes, we did, and it was a very good experience shopping after so long, going together with family. We thought we will just share it with you, and if you really liked watching this, please like, share and subscribe to her channel out there so you know what the channel is.
And also do not forget to hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. And thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.